The miracle in few words: how a single Quranic verse revolutionizes our approach to living. Surah Al-Araf verse 31 conveys a profound message that encapsulates essential principles of moderation and dignity in life. Allah instructs the children of Adam to take their adornment to every place of worship, emphasizing the importance of presenting oneself respectfully and modestly. This directive serves as a refutation of the practices of the idolaters of the time, who performed rituals around the Kaaba in a state of undress, highlighting the distinction between the guidance provided by Allah and the misguidance of following base desires influenced by Satan. Thank you for tuning in. Your curiosity and engagement mean the world to me. The best is yet to come, so stick around until the end of this video to uncover valuable insights, entertaining moments, and a dash of inspiration. Your time is precious, and I'm committed to making every moment worth it. So hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and let's dive into today's video. I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's get started. The verse further advises eating and drinking without indulgence, emphasizing the avoidance of wastefulness, which Allah does not favor. This guidance from Allah highlights the balance humans must maintain in their consumption, promoting a lifestyle that avoids excess and appreciates the sustenance provided by Allah. The teachings in this verse are not just about physical adornment and consumption, but also extend to spiritual and moral dimensions, advocating for a life lived within the bounds of moderation, gratitude, and consciousness of Allah's commands. This holistic approach, combining respect for oneself through modest adornment and moderation in consumption, is presented as an essential aspect of a believer's life, ensuring that one's actions are in harmony with the divine guidance aimed at preserving dignity, promoting health, and preventing wastefulness. This message is timeless and applicable to all ages, reflecting the comprehensive nature of Islamic teachings that cover all aspects of life, including physical health, social conduct, and spiritual well-being. Surah Al-Araf verse 31 not only emphasizes the importance of modesty and moderation, but also subtly addresses the broader concept of balance in life, which is a cornerstone in Islamic teachings. This verse, by advising against extravagance and promoting modest consumption, lays down a principle that transcends dietary habits and touches upon the essence of Islamic lifestyle. The verse serves as a reminder that while Allah has made the earth's bounties available for human enjoyment, this privilege comes with the responsibility of not transgressing the limits set by Allah. This concept of balance is applicable to various aspects of life, including financial expenditures, environmental stewardship, and personal behavior. It encourages a mindful approach to life's pleasures, ensuring that one's actions do not lead to harm or wastefulness. Moreover, the instruction to adorn oneself appropriately for worship underscores the importance of respecting sacred spaces and times. It reflects the holistic view of Islam towards worship, which is not limited to spiritual or ritualistic practices, but extends to personal appearance and conduct, highlighting the religion's comprehensive guidance on leading a balanced and harmonious life. If you enjoyed this insightful exploration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thought-provoking content on our channel. This verse thus encapsulates a fundamental Islamic principle that promotes a middle path in all matters, avoiding extremes and ensuring that one's actions are always aligned with moral and ethical standards. It's a principle that not only ensures individual well-being but also contributes to the well-being of society and the environment, making it a timeless piece of wisdom relevant to all ages and societies. The teachings in Surah Al-Araf verse 31 extend beyond the realms of personal conduct and etiquette into broader societal and environmental ethics. This verse, by advocating for moderation and cautioning against extravagance, lays a foundation for an eco-friendly lifestyle that respects the planet's resources. It subtly encourages sustainable living by implying that wastefulness not only displeases Allah, but also disrupts the balance of nature. The principle of moderation in consumption and the emphasis on not exceeding limits can also be seen as an early call for sustainable environmental practices. In a world grappling with issues like overconsumption, pollution, and climate change, this verse's message resonates strongly, advocating for responsible stewardship of Earth's resources. Furthermore, The instruction to wear adornment to places of worship can be interpreted as a call to honor and respect not only the physical spaces of worship, but also the sanctity of the natural world, which is a form of worship in itself. By presenting oneself respectfully and modestly, one acknowledges the greatness of the Creator and the sanctity of creation. In a broader sense, this verse encourages a lifestyle that values simplicity, sustainability, and mindfulness, promoting a balance between fulfilling one's needs and preserving the world for future generations. It's a holistic approach that integrates spiritual well-being with ethical living, highlighting Islam's comprehensive guidance on leading a life that is in harmony with both the Creator's commands and the natural world. For a deeper understanding of these concepts, exploring thematic studies on Islamic environmental ethics and the prophetic traditions on moderation and conservation can provide more insights into how these principles are woven into the fabric of Islamic teachings. Never miss a moment of enlightenment. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more captivating insights and discussions. In conclusion, Surah Al-Araf verse 31 extends beyond the realms of personal conduct to encompass a broader ethical framework that promotes sustainability, social justice, and a balanced way of life. This verse, by advising moderation in consumption and the importance of modesty, serves as a guiding principle for a harmonious existence within the natural world and among fellow human beings. Practical examples of individuals and communities adhering to this divine guidance can be seen in various aspects of life. 1. Eco-friendly practices. Many Muslims take the principle of not being wasteful to heart by engaging in environmentally sustainable practices. This includes conserving water even during ritual ablutions, wudu, recycling and opting for renewable energy sources, reflecting a commitment to stewardship of the Earth's resources. 2. Charitable giving. The concept of moderation and avoiding extravagance often translates into generous charitable giving. Zakat, obligatory charity, and sadaqah, voluntary charity, are fundamental aspects of Islam that ensure wealth is circulated among all societal segments, reducing inequality and supporting those in need. 3. Ethical business practices. Muslim entrepreneurs and businesses are increasingly adopting ethical practices, from fair trade to ethical sourcing of materials, ensuring that their operations do not lead to excess or exploitation. This approach is rooted in the Islamic principle of balance and fairness in all transactions. 4. Health and well-being. The advice to eat and drink in moderation has also inspired many to adopt healthier lifestyles, choosing balanced diets and avoiding overindulgence. This has practical implications for physical health, such as preventing diseases related to overeating and ensuring the body is treated as a trust from Allah. 5. Community initiatives. On a community level, initiatives like community gardens, cooperative food banks, and sustainable living projects reflect the verse's principles in action. These initiatives not only encourage modest consumption, but also foster a sense of community and collective responsibility. These practical examples show how the timeless wisdom of Surah Al-Araf, verse 31, continues to inspire actions that contribute to personal development, social welfare, and environmental sustainability. By embodying the principles of moderation, modesty, and balance, individuals and communities can navigate the complexities of modern life while staying true to their spiritual and ethical values. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. If you found this content intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating intersections of health and wellness. Until next time, take care of your mind and soul.